Hello students, till now you are aware with state diagram and state table, or you can say transition table. This is your state diagram. With the help of state diagram you can make state table, or you can implement state diagram. You can draw state diagram from state table. Okay, today we will discuss ASM chart. It is just like your flow chart. Okay, it represents data control flow of any hardware or clocked synchronous sequential circuit. What is the full form of ASM? It is algorithmic state machine. Okay, now there are three components of your ASM chart. There are three components. First one is this rectangle. Okay, this rectangle. This is nothing. This is called your state box. Okay, state box. For example, for S0, S1 and S2, we will make rectangle. These are the states. Next one, again you are aware with this diamond box. Okay, it is used for decision. What is the value of X? Suppose X is input, either 1 or 0. This is called your decision box. Okay, next one, rectangle with rounded corner. This is very important. Okay, this is new for you. This is called your condition box or Mealy box. You are already aware with Mealy machine and Moore machine. In Moore machine, output depends upon only in present state, not in input X. But in Mealy machine, output depends upon present states as well as input X. Whenever input is changing, output will also change in case of Mealy machine. And in case of Mealy machine, less states are required, and in case of Moore machine, we require more states. So more hardware requirement is in case of Moore machine, and less hardware requirement in case of Mealy machine. Now this is very important. It is used only in Mealy machine. Mealy machine when output is high. Otherwise we will not use this box. Okay, we will not use this box. When output is 0 in case of Mealy machine, or in case of Moore machine, we will not use this condition box or Mealy box. Okay, now we will draw ASM chart for this circuit. This 0 is nothing. This is value of X. Okay, this is value of what? X. This is value of output Y. Okay, now we will draw circuit for this. First state is what? S0. Okay, S0. This is your S0 state. Okay, now what is the value of? We will give input X. This is your control line, or you can say input. Now we will check the condition. We will check the condition. What is the value of X? Now there are two possibilities, either 0 or 1. When value is 0, okay, when value is 0, this this value is 0. When value is 0, it remains in same state and output is 0, so we will not use this box. Okay, it remains in same state means there is no transition. Fine. When value is 1, it is going from S0 to S1, but output is 1, so we will use what? This Mealy box. Just write down Z when output is high in case of Mealy machine. Now where it is going? It is going to S1. Make one rectangle for this state S1. It is going from here to here. Alright. Now again check for S1. There are what? Two possibilities. There are two possibilities. If its value is 1, if its value is 0. When its value is 0, okay, it is going in same state, means there is no transition, means it remains in same state, but output is high. Okay, this output is high. So again we will use this box. So make one box here, this Mealy box, just rectangle with rounded corner. Okay, where it is going? It is going where? S1 in same state. And when its value is 1, where it is going? It is going to S2. Okay, so one box S2. This is your box S2. It is going here. Fine. Now again we will check for this S2. Okay, two possible value of X. One value 1, one value 0. When its value is 0, it remains in same state and output is 0. So when value is 0, it remains in same state. And what about value 1? When value of X is 1, it is going to S0, from S2 to S0, and output is 1. Okay, so we will make one what? Mealy box Z, and when value is 1, it is going to where? S0, S2 to S0. So just connect here. Okay, just from here connect here. Better straight line. Okay, this is your ASM chart for this state diagram. Alright, now we will do some more practice. Okay, suppose this is your question. Okay, this is your question. Draw ASM chart. Draw ASM chart for 2-bit up down counter, and it has one control line C. If C equal to 1, it works as up counter, otherwise it works as down counter. Okay, if it reaches to maximum value, output becomes high, otherwise low. The same question I have given you in assignment. Okay, you can practice in assignment. There is only one change. If it reaches to maximum or minimum value, output becomes high. I have given when it reaches to maximum or minimum. In this case, I am taking only maximum value. When it reaches to maximum value, output becomes high. So first we will draw a state diagram. Okay, we will draw state diagram, then we will draw what? ASM chart. Okay. 2-bit up down one. If there is, suppose there are 3 state, you know, up 4 state. 2-bit up counter means suppose state S0, from S0 to S1, S1 to S2, S2 to S3, again S3 to S0. When what? When C equal to what? 1. Okay, this is the condition. And otherwise it works as down counter. In down counter, you know, you are already aware with down counter. First state will be S3, then S2, then S1, then S0, and again it will go to S3 when C equal to 0 according to this question. The last one, if it reaches to maximum value, output become high. When it is reaching to maximum value, in this case S0 to S3, and in this case S2 to S. There are only 2 cases when it is reaching to maximum value. In this case maximum value is S3 and minimum value is S0 according to question. So output will be 1. In this case output will be 1. Okay, only in these 2 cases, otherwise it will become low. Okay, now I will draw a state diagram. You can also take A, B, C, D. Okay, I am taking here S0, S1, S2, S3. S0, S1, 4 state, S2 and S3. Okay, when value of C equal to 1, output is 0, 1, 0. Now S2 to S3, this 1. So 1, 1. S3 to S0, 1, 0. When it reaches to maximum value, this S3 is maximum value. Okay. For down counter, S3 to S2, when value of C is 0. Instead of X, I am taking value C. This is control line, or you can say enable line. Output will be what? 0. Again 0, 0. For this 0, 0. Now when S0 to S3, it is reaching to maximum value. So 0, 1. Only 2 value, 1 this one and this one. Output is what? High, otherwise low. For only these 2 cases. Okay, only for these 2 cases I will use Mealy box, otherwise I will not use. Okay, now I will draw the ASM chart. Okay, this is suppose state S0. Now S0. Now instead of X, I am taking here C. Okay, now we will check the condition. What is the value of X? If its value is 1, okay, it works as up counter. Sorry, instead of X, write down C. Now I am using C. Okay, when value is 1, it is going from S0 to S1. Output is what? Output is 0. So I am not using Mealy box. It is going from S0 to S1 when value is what? 1. Again it will check first complete for C equal to 1. Again I will check for this. What is the value of C? 1 and 0. When value is 1, again it will work as up counter from S1. It will go to where? S2. It will go to S2. Okay. When again check for here from S2. What is the value of X? Sorry. Again I am repeating, when value C equal to 1, it is going to S1, from 1 it is going to S2. Now check for S2. If value of C is 1, it will go to where? S3. Okay, but output is high, so we will use this Mealy box Z. Okay, and it is going to where? S3. Now again check for this C. If value is 1, if value is 1, in S3 value is 1, where it is going? It is going to I0, output is 0. So from here connect here. Just connect here. Okay, this is for C equal to 1. Now check for C equal to 0. Okay, when C equal to 0, start from S3. This S3, you can see here S3 to S2 when C equal to 0. S3 to, when value is 0, where it is going? It is going to S2. Where is S2? This is your S2. Okay, S3 to S2. Now check for here S2, when value is what? 0. From S2 to where it is going? S1. This S1, you can see from here S2 to S1 when value is 0. S2 to S1. Now when C equal to 0 in S0, it is going from S1 to where? S0. It is going to from S1 to where? S0. Okay, this is your S0. Okay, now for last value, when C equal to 0, this value, it is going to I0 to S3. Okay, and output is 1. So I will use what? I will use 1. I will use 1 Mealy box for this. This one, just write down Z, and from here S0 to S3, it is going to where? S3. Okay, this is your complete ASM chart for this state diagram, or you can say for this problem. You can do more practice and you can try for all the state diagram which I have explained in clocked synchronous sequential circuit, analysis of clocked synchronous sequential circuit by using what? D flip flop, by using JK, by using T flip flop, and by using one more question based upon sequence detector, design of clocked synchronous sequential circuit. Okay, it's all about your today lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.